Hi guys, welcome to Quarantine Kitchen. In this series we're going to show you how to raid your cupboards and be very creative with what you have in your cupboard. At the time of national crisis, I'm just going to show you how to be together as a family and create dishes that is not only healthy, simple, easy and wholesome. What's happening around us, it's really important that we cherish each other and understand how important food is. In this episode, we're going to show you how to make spicy sweet corn curry with simple ingredients, but delicious and very welcoming for the whole family. As a mom of two teenage daughters, and one of the favorite things for my daughters have always been sweet corn. And you know, this is such a simple recipes people have in the freezer or in the tins. And the spices that I think most of us have in a store cupboard is the cumin, which is a versatile spice, coriander, ground coriander, which is so easy, everybody has that in the cupboard, and so is the garam masala, which is a blend of spices. And then we have here is the turmeric, which is, we need that at the time now, what's happening, it's really good for your body. And salt, seasoning is very important. So these are the 5 ingredients I've kept here, and we're going to show you simple, quick, with some onions in your store cupboard, and cook with that. And it's beautiful, simple recipe. So some oil. You can use any oil, vegetable oil, rapeseed oil. I would recommend not to use olive oil, but if you have that in your cupboard, just use. I'm not going to go through why you're using that. Pinch of cumin. See how it's sizzling. You need to sizzle sound, and then you put a little bit of grated garlic. I didn't need to show you guys how to do the garlic. You know how to do it. And some white onions. If you don't have white onions, use red onions. Perfectly okay, or shallots, whatever you have in your cupboard. So with the onions, just make sure it's translucent. You don't want it to be brown or dark brown. Just really saute them for about less than 2 minutes. And I think this dish is something also loved by all family, because at the moment you don't want to be cooking like I used to do 4 dishes for each, and everyone wanted something different. So this is the time when everybody can come together and eat the same dish, because we have to watch what we are eating. And it's also going to bring our family together, because you know, it's so important that we eat with a family. So I've just added some turmeric, some little bit of salt and some chilies in there. If you don't like the chilies, just put less chilies or no chilies, because there's no hard and fast rule about it. So I'm going to do that a bit, lower the temperature, and then I'm just going to put these in there. And don't worry about taking the water out, because that's perfectly okay, because you need the sweetness. This is a sweet corn, which is very sweet, and we'll keep that water intact in it. And I'm just going to cover that with a lid and cook for literally 3 more minutes. We're chopping some mint. Mint is usually people have in their gardens if you grow in it, or dried herb, any herb. I'm just put mint. I think it really works well with the sweet corn. It's so beautiful. The flavors are really good. Or you know, any dried herbs like Italian herbs as well, they'll work. I think the beauty about Indian cooking is that you don't have to follow what's in the recipe sometimes, and just use what you have in your cupboard. That's it, it's cooked. Just taken us literally 5 minutes with everything together, chopping, grating, putting oil and cooking with different spices. And if you have a pita bread at home, make a pocket and put the spicy sweet corn curry in the pita bread, or a wrap, or just bread even. Toast your bread in a toasties. I love a toastie. Here we go. We have a beautiful spicy sweet corn curry for everyone to enjoy at home within 5 minutes. Thank you everyone for watching. Romy's Quarantine Kitchen. If you watched it, please give a thumbs up or a comment below. And if you haven't subscribed the channel, do go and subscribe it if you're not already subscribed it. You'll be watching more and more different kind of dishes we're going to be making on the YouTube channel.